In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the game Chains of Freedom on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and after that click on the link. Now what we need to do is search up the game Chains of Freedom and then select it. Scroll a little bit down and you will find of course the free demo, but we would like to download the full game. So as you can see, the price on Steam is €24.50, but don't worry, we got a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money. Now what you need to do is open the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this page. Now search for the same game, Chains of Freedom, and after that you will see this game, which can be activated in our country, including a PC version. So select the game, and once you have clicked on that, you will see this game is €22.73 instead of €24.50. So once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive a official legit Steam account to activate this game and download it through Steam, but a little bit cheaper. And that is how you save yourself a bit of money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!